Hello guys, so we have a problem here. Let me read the problem first. Point A is 30 mm above HP, 40 mm in front of VP and 20 mm from LPP, that is left profile plane. Draw its projections and name the side view. Okay, so this is the problem. Point A is 30 mm above HP and 40 mm in front of VP. So above HP in front of VP means it's a first quadrant, right? So write it down, first quadrant. Okay, so this is a problem on first quadrant. Fine. So now let me draw one first quadrant in 3D so that you can understand the problem better. Okay, I'll just finish this. So fine guys, this is my first quadrant and this is VP and this is HP and this is my XY line. Okay, so now let us try to look at the point. See, the point A is 30 mm above HP and 40 mm in front of VP. So somewhere it is here. So this distance is 30 mm. Okay, 30 mm, and this is 40 mm. Okay, 40 mm in front of VP, 30 mm above HP. Correct. So we know that the observer will be here, so he will be the observer, right? So once this observer sees the front view of the object, it will be projected on VP, and when this observer sees the top view of the object, it will be projected on HP. Correct. Similarly, once the observer sees this 30 distance, that will also be projected on, so isn't it? So this is the projection, and once this observer sees the top of this 40 distance, and then this 40 distance will be projected on this. Correct. So now when this is 30, of course this is 30 and this is 41. Correct. So we have generated the solution actually now, but it is in 3D. No, we want the solution in 2D because we have to give the solution on a sheet of paper. So what we have to do is we have to rotate HP 90 degree clockwise. So once I rotate HP 90 degree clockwise, what happens? See, I'll write that again here. Okay, so this is after rotation. Okay, so this will be my XY line and VP will be above XY line only. After rotation, HP will come down. Fine. So when HP will come down, even the distance, this 40 distance on HP will also come down from XY line. So this is my 40 distance and the 30 distance will remain above only. So this is my 30 distance which is above XY line. Okay, so and you people know that on VP we can always see the front view and on HP we can always see the top view. That fine. So this 30 distance is what? This is front view. So this point will be A dash because the original point is A. This point is A. Okay, so its front view will be small a dash and the top view will be A. Okay, now we have to give the solution, actual solution. Fine. So now what I'll do is I'll draw the XY line initially. Okay, so this is my XY line and this is my VP and this is my HP, and VP should be above XY line and HP should be below XY line since it is first quadrant. Fine. Now here he is discussing about LPP, that means left profile plane. That means we have to consider the plane towards the left of the solution. So let us have some space towards our left and we'll have the solution in the right. So I'll just copy whatever we got here in this position. So this is my 40 line. You have to actually measure 40 and write. Here I am simply showing without any measurements, but while you doing it, please take actual 40 and actual 30 as measurements. Okay, now I'll give the measurement for this. So this is 40 and the above one is 30, right? So give the dimension, and this is my A dash and this will be my A, correct? So now he is talking about LPP, which is 20 mm from LPP. So I have to draw one left profile plane, that is towards the left of the solution, and that should be exactly 20 mm from this solution. Okay, so exactly measure 20 here, draw one x1 y1 line, that is our LPP. It should be exactly 20 mm from this. So I have taken some random value, but you should measure it and draw it. Okay, so it should be 20 exactly. So now we have to get its side view. For that, what we have to do is we have to search where the top view is. So the top view point is here. So exactly opposite to that, on the other side, we have to draw one 45 degree line. We have to draw one 45 degree line. Okay, so now from this top view point, we have to draw one line till it touches the 45 degree line. Okay, so here we'll get an intersection, right? So now from this intersection we have to draw one more line towards the front view, so wherever it lies. So here in this problem the front view is here, so it is above. So from this point we have to draw one line above XY line, whatever, some infinite distance. Okay, because we don't know where to stop. So now what we have to do is, now from this front view point we have to draw one line till it intersects with the line, the vertical line we just now drawn. So now we will get one intersection here. So this point will be my side view, that is A double dash. So just increase the thickness of all the points here, the side view, the top view and the front view. Okay, now since he is talking about LPP and it's a first quadrant problem, it is obvious that on LPP we can see right side view in the first quadrant. So the type of view is right side view. So this is the actual solution of the problem. Okay, thank you.